Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how we can use MATLAB Online without any license key or without any activation key. So first thing, we're going to go to our browser. So in our browser, we're going to type MATLAB Online. You click enter, then you come here on this first option which says MATLAB Online. You click and then this window is what comes up. So you come to this corner here, then you click there. So after you click, this is a page that opens, so you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you have to come on create, and then you click on create. This is a page that opens. Fill in the necessary details here, which is the email address, and then you click next. So I'm going to use this email address. So this one, I think I can not hide this one because it's the channel's email address. And you click next. So here it says continue anyway, or you go back. So I'll click on continue anyway. Then here you enter your password. And then you have to confirm. So your password should have at least 8 to 50 characters. And all these other things that are stated here, that's when you'll be able to create the password. So you have to make sure that all these necessary requirements are there. You'll be able to now create the password, and then you click next. So MathWorks is going to send a code to your email account. So you go to your email that you've submitted. In this case, it's PMC Tech. I'm going to go there and check for the code that has been sent, and then copy that code. Then you come and paste it here. So you can click Ctrl C when copying, then you come here and click Ctrl V to paste. So anyway, this is the code. For now, I can even just show it because it's no longer valid. Then you click I accept the online service agreement, and then you click next. So this page opens up. So here you have to enter your first name, your last name, the location, so there you write your first name, your last name, what's your location. So here you write the country where you're coming from. Then here, which best describes you. I'm choosing student. Then the department, which department are you coming from. I'm going to select electrical and computer engineering. Are you postdoctoral, student or graduate level, or student, undergraduate? Mine is graduate level, but if you're undergraduate, you can choose that. Then here, are you at least 13 years or older? So if you're 13 years, click 13, but I'm sure most of us here would be older than 13. The name of your university, so you type your university name there, and then you click next. There we are. Our account has been created. So here you have link a license if you have a license, or use MATLAB Online Basic. We are interested in the 30-day trial or unlimited use of desktop and online. So we get a trial, more fields to fill in there. So you will fill in the email address, the city, zip code. Is this request on behalf of a faculty member or research advisor? So if it's research advisor, you click yes. If not, you click no. Then your year of graduation. So I'm going to put 2025 on the year in which you are graduating. You can put that. Then I'll select Simulink Essentials. Then submit. Or MathWorks is preparing a link for me to use in the next 30 days. So you open MATLAB Online, or you can install MATLAB. So I'm going to just open the MATLAB Online. If you are installing, then you have to click install. But in this case, we just want the trial for 30 days. Remember, after 30 days, this privilege expires. I can now click on Simulink because I'm interested in Simulink. And so this is my Simulink environment. I can now create my Simulink models. So I come on blank model to see if I can create something. If you want to open anything which is in your folders, you can click open and then you can open your folders. I should be able to work with MATLAB. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel so that you can have videos like this. Thank you and bye-bye.